and welcome to day 26 of my Phonics Boost. Well done on coming this far. Day 26, that's amazing. But of course, we've still got more to learn. So let's get our phonics brain switched on, our superhero listening ears turned on, and let's get started. As we are on day 26 of my Phonics Boost, we have got some new focus sounds. And a lot of our focus sounds over the next couple of days are digraphs. Now remember, a digraph is when two letters make one sound. I'm going to sound each sound out first, and then I want to hear you say it. Are we ready? Z. O. F. K. Excellent. Right, as they are new sounds, one more time. My turn first. Z. S. O. Excellent. Right, now we've done them once. Let's see if you can do them. Excellent. And of course, we're not going to forget our sounds from the last couple of days. I think you'll know these ones, so just you. Do you think you can do them a bit quicker? I think you can. Amazing. Now I'm going to put our new sounds with our older ones. I want to hear you. Off you go. Amazing. Well done. Now, of course, we are not going to forget the sounds that we've done even earlier on in our boost. If you've forgotten them, I'm going to sound them out first, and then it's going to be your turn. So listening, we've got Your turn now. Excellent. And our sounds that we were doing even earlier. K, k, e, b, a. Your turn. Excellent. And can we remember these ones from even longer ago? We've got n, p, g, I, o. Your turn. Excellent. Now, from even longer ago, are we listening? S, a, m, d, t. Your turn. Amazing. Well done. We've learnt so many sounds, haven't we? Now, the sound that we're focusing on today is the Z sound. And the Z sound is a long sound. Z, Z, Z. My turn first. Z, Z, Z. Excellent. Now we've practiced saying the sound, let's find some objects that use the Z sound. So my phonics superheroes, in my magic box, I've got some objects that start with the Z sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort them out. Are we ready? You wouldn't believe it. It's happened again. My magic box is empty. I think we need some phonics magic. Can you remember our spell? Excellent. We say hocus pocus phonics focus. Let's say it together. Hocus pocus phonics focus. Let's see if it's worked. for you. So remember, yes if it starts with the Z sound and no if it doesn't. Are we ready? Zebra, yes. Umbrella, no. Zero, yes. Star, no. Zip, yes. So I'm going to put these objects back in my magic box. We've got our zip, zebra, zero, umbrella and our star. I'm going to pull them out much quicker and I want you to tell me yes or no. Are you ready? Excellent, well done you. Now we're going to have a go at practicing our oral blending. For our oral blending, we need to make sure our superhero listening ears are turned on. Now I'm going to sound out each word and I want you to blend it. Now one of our words today has got 4 sounds, so I need you listening really carefully. Are we ready? Z, I, P. Zip. Z, E, S, T. Zest. Z, A, P. Zap. Excellent. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words. Right, my reading superstars, for our new Z words, I'm going to sound them out first, then I want to hear you. Are we ready? Z, I, P, zip. Your turn. Zip. Z, E, S, T, zest. Your turn. Zest. Z, A, P, zap. Your turn. Zap. Excellent. Now we've done them once together. Just you. Want to hear you. Zip. Zest. Zap. Excellent. Now, are you up for a challenge? I know you are. Our challenge word today is zigzag. My turn first. Z, I, G, Z, A, G. Zigzag. Your turn. Zigzag. Excellent. Your turn again. Zigzag. Excellent. Now it's time for a rewind and we're going to go over some words that we've been working on over the last couple of days. Now because we've done these ones before, just you. Fox. Mix. Excellent. Now we've done this word twice, so let me see if you can just read it. Are we ready? Yes. Want to hear you. Yes. Excellent. Now moving on to our tricky words, and our new tricky word today is want. Let's say it together. Want. 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 Excellent. Let's see if we can remember our tricky words that we've been learning over the last couple of days. do, have, said. Excellent. Let's say these ones together, just in case you're not sure. Do, have, said. Excellent. Let's put our new word, want, with these ones and go through them. Do, have, said, want. Excellent. There are a lot of words there. Well done you. So my phonics superheroes and reading superstars, we're nearly at the end of day 26. Amazing. Can you believe you've come this far? Well done. We're nearly at the end, but we're going to go through our focus sounds a few more times and then play our little game. So because these are new focus sounds, I'm going to sound them out once. Make sure you're listening. Are we ready? Z, s, o, f, k. Your turn now. Excellent. Think you can do them faster. Excellent. Now we're going to play our little game where I'm going to take one of the sounds away. I want you to be sounding out the sounds and telling me which sound is missing. Are we ready? Which sound was missing? All. Well done. Right, let me see, which sound am I going to take away now? I'm going to take away this one. Are you ready? Which sound was missing? Excellent. And this time I'm going to take that sound away. Are you ready? Which sound was missing? Excellent. Well done. And that's it. We're finished. Well done on all of your hard work today. I hope you're feeling proud of yourself. I know that I'm feeling very proud of you. Now, before we go, we need to give ourselves a great big pat on the back. 1, 2, 3. Well done me. And I can't wait to see you again tomorrow. Bye.